Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix broken URL for a page on Wix. So first of all, navigate to your Wix editor and find the page with a broken URL. After navigating to the page, ensure that the page's URL is correctly configured. You can check the URL by selecting the page in the site menu. You can click on pages and menu and ensure that pages are ordered correctly. And also you can click on a specific page's settings and see if that is working or not. Or you can also click on page connection and see the connection behind that page. Now, if you have made changes to the page URL in the past, you may need to revert it to the original URL or set a new one. You can also fix the URL in page settings. In Wix editor, you can go to pages menu on the left hand side and select the page with the broken URL. Click the settings gear icon next to page name. For example, you can do it like this. Now under the SEO basics or settings, you will see the page's URL slug. If the URL is incorrect or has been changed, update the slug to match the correct path. Now, you can also create redirects for old URLs. So if you have changed a page's URL and need to ensure visitors can still access it, create a 301 redirect from the old URL to the new one. You can navigate to your Wix dashboard, click on Site and Mobile App, click on Website and SEO, or just click on SEO. Here, you'll have to scroll down and choose URL Redirect Manager. Now, enter the old URL, that is the broken URL, in this field. For example, you can select any URL to edit, enter the old URL here, enter the new URL here, save this redirect, and that will instantly fix your problem. Now, if the broken URL is from an external link, like a backlink from another website, ensure that the link is updated to the correct URL. If possible, contact the site owner and ask them to update the link to your fixed URL. Once you have updated the page URL and redirects, publish your site again to make sure all changes are live. And if the URL issue persists, clear your browser cache and cookies and try accessing the site again. You can also try using incognito mode to rule out caching issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix and resolve the broken URL issues on your Wix site and ensure that visitors can still access your page without any issues. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.